DIY freely is like at SALON, professional nail files and buffer set. They have rough grit that can sand down the large ridges in your nails. It also helps get the glue off, will be save money from nail shop. Kindly note. The buffers would be sent in random colors. Multifunction to use. Teenitor nail files and buffers set is easy to file edges, remove ridges, smooth and shine your nails. 100/180 grit double-sided file. Top quality. Nail file and buff blocks are very strong and dress nails quickly, will keep your nails in a good shape. Useful, ideal for daily use, perfect for general manicure purpose, suitable for professional use or home use. Important. If you have any question about our nail file and buffer, we will give you no reason return and refund. Top reviews from the United States. Incredible durability. It's been a while since I ordered these limes and the truth is that I loved them. They are of very good quality and are quite resistant. I get my nails done at home and I haven't really had any problems using these products. Super recommended.